Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Happy Homeschool online classes. How are you all doing in the lockdown? I hope you all are staying safe and inside the house and not bothering your mummies and daddies a lot. Today we are having our online class. Yes, your English literature online session. Today we will revise the lesson which we have read in our first online class. You remember your ORT reader? Yes, today we are going to read the same story. A cat in the tree. Let's repeat after me. A cat in the tree. Can you see the cover page on your screen? And what do you spot in this picture? I can see a cat who's trying to climb up the tree. I can see a crow, house, trees. I think we should begin our session. Okay, my nursery students. Can you tell me what is the name of this dog? Yes, this is Floppy. You must have remembered this. So Floppy barked at a cat. The cat ran up a tree. Look at this cat. It looks so frightened from Floppy. Now can you tell me what is the name of this girl? She is Biff. You got it right. She is Skipper's sister Biff. Look at Biff's face. Does she look happy? No, she is very angry. Let's read together. Biff was cross with Floppy. She was angry with Floppy. Now can you tell me what is the name of this girl? Who is she? Yes, she is Wilma. Wilma climbed on the wall. You can see. Is she climbing on the wall? Yes, she is. But why is she doing this? Let's turn the page to find out. Now look at this picture. Wilma climbed up the tree. She looks so excited. Just to help this cat. She climbed up the tree just to help the cat. Look at Wilma. She is so kind. Can you spot Floppy at the back? I can see Floppy in all the pictures. What is he doing there? Let's find out. Oops! What is this cat doing up on a tree? Biff is so happy because she thinks that Wilma is going to help the cat and the cat will get down. But she couldn't get the cat. Who couldn't get the cat? Wilma. Wilma couldn't get the cat. Uh-oh. What is going on here? Wilma is stuck on a tree. Wilma couldn't get down. Look at Wilma. She is not looking happy. She looks so sad. And look at Wilma's dad. He looks so angry. Wilma's dad was cross. Wilma's dad was angry with Wilma because Wilma has not informed her dad that she is going to help that cat. What is Dad doing? He put the ladder up. Look how Dad has put up this ladder to get Wilma down. He is as kind as Wilma. But what is Floppy doing in this picture? Let's find out. Wilma, a girl with black hair, climbed down. She is safe. Wilma climbed down. You remember? Dad has put up the ladder for Wilma so that she can climb down safely. So here she is. Let's turn the page. Then Wilma's dad climbed the tree. When Wilma came down, Wilma's dad decided to climb up the tree to help that cat. So Wilma's dad climbed the tree. I wondered what happens next. Oh, but he couldn't get the cat. Wilma's dad tried his best to get the cat down, but he couldn't get the cat. He was like, "Come on, cat, I'm here to help you." But the cat was in no mood of coming down with Dad. Biff and Wilma are waiting for that cat to get down, but Dad couldn't get the cat. Ah, Wilma's dad was stuck. Dad was stuck in the branch. Look at Wilma's face. She's like, "Oh, my dad. Now who is going to help us?" But I can't spot the cat in this picture. She is trying to run away. Look at Wilma's dad. He's stuck on a branch of the tree and he is waiting for someone to help. Look at Floppy, Biff. They are so scared that what is going to happen now? Because the cat jumped down and Dad got stuck. Okay, students, page number 14. Let's read the text. You can repeat after me. The fireman put a ladder up. What you do with the ladder? You go up, up, up. You come down, down, down. So, the fireman put a ladder up for Wilma's dad so that he can come down safely. Now tell me, what do you see in this picture? I can see a red truck. Do you know what is this red truck called? It's a fire truck. It's a fire engine. But why Floppy is doing like that? Why is he barking? So Wilma's dad climbed down. "Oh no!" said everyone. Wilma's dad, Biff, fireman. They all are like, "Oh no, now the cat has climbed up on some other tree. So we have to help him again to get down." So all are like, "Oh no, the cat is so naughty." Okay, children, so this was it. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. And what is the name of the story? Yes, it's A Cat in the Tree. You can enjoy this story with your mummies and daddies, and I promise you, after lockdown, we can enjoy more stories together. Okay, children, do you remember your ORT workbooks? We used to do these workbooks in school. Yes, I want you all to take out your workbook 3B. Then I will explain page number 9, 10 and 11 so that you can do these pages with me or later with your parents. Page number 9. What is the title? Now you all can read the title. A cat in the tree. Color. You have to color this picture. You can do your favorite colors in beef, in cat, and in the tree. Or you can follow the same color patterns which has been done in your ORT reader, a cat in the tree. Page number 10. You have to read all these words. First one is done for you. Wilma. You have to read the word and match it with the picture. Wilma. Ladder. Tree. Wall. Cat. Fireman. After matching, you can do colors also. Now another page. Page number 11. It's quite the same, but what you have to do, you have to circle the correct answer. So first one is done for you. What do you see in the picture? It's a tree. So you have to read all these three words, then you have to circle the correct one. Tree, Wilma, cat. So you have to circle tree. I want you all to do this assignment and submit it on Google Classroom and press the button Turn In. Thank you. Reading is an adventure that never ends. That is why I always recommend you to read a lot of books as much as you can with your families, with your siblings. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take good care of yourselves.